postman. Congratulations to the Ateneo Blue Eagles for winning over the Adamson. The Falcons in straight sets. The Blue Eagles are now tied with the UP Fighting Maroons at 4-5. We have both Sergio Veloso, Ian De Guzman, and Tax Mujimo. Coach Sergio, congratulations for this victory. This is your third straight win. What can you say about your team's performance so far against Adamson and how you were able to get back from your opening day loss? Especially that's a 5-set loss. What can you say?
Yeah. First, control from all players, today, and I think our best skill today is our serves. Our serves did a lot of damage and opponent, and they play the pressure, and this is so important. And in the hard moments, okay, my team continues with the focus, and I think it's the best for the team. And I know every match is so hard. Okay, last match it's a 5 sets. This match now only 3-0, but all the sets it's a good fight.
Thank you. To Tax, you had 3 attacks, 2 of Ateneo's 12 service aces, and you had 17 excellent sets. So, what can you say? It's a big. You're able to get back on a opening day loss to Adamson. It's a reversal. So, what can you say about your team's effort?
For this game, actually everyone contributed. Like everyone put their effort, their focus inside the board. Like yung parang sabi ni coach, every point, parang we should cherish it like it's our championship point. So we just fight, kahit anong mangyari, kahit lamang sila ng 5, 10, so we will just push through everyone.
Thank you. Julian, you had a solid all-around game of 11-38 attacks, 1 service ace, 13 digs, and 13 interceptions. So, ano ba sa mo nga? Nakatatak pa rin ba sa inyo yung na-reverse game kayo ng Adamson? And anong masasabi mo na yun nga? 3 straight wins na kayo and you're still in contention for a final first lap.
Actually, sinasabi ko lang talaga sa team namin. Same pa rin yung mindset na we need to fight every game na bigay namin yung 110% namin. And like what Tax said niya na, we need to fight every point na parang championship point na talaga siya. And actually, itong game na to, sabi namin talaga, for Zell itong game na to na parang bibigyan namin itong game na to para sa kanya.